Okie dokie, in this video we're covering WebAssign 9.3. We might get halfway, might get a third of the way. Let's do as many as we can, and then we'll make a few more videos. So, starting with number 1, they say the graph shows the weight measurements of the average infant from time 0 to time 24, so from birth to age 2. So time is in months. They say computing the slopes of the tangent lines estimate the rate of change of the average infant's weight from 3 to 18. For when t is equal to 3 and then when t is equal to 18. So this graph visually is terrible. It's so hard to look at, but all you need to do is focus on, at this point, that's month 3, there is a tangent line to the curve at month 3. And we need to find the slope of that line because that will tell us the rate of change of the weight of infants right at 3. So the way we'll do that is by noticing these lines here. They're giving us like a change in height, basically a rise of this line here. And they're giving us a run right here. So they're giving us a rise and a run, which we can use to calculate the slope. So rise over run is our slope. So 7.5 over 5 equals 3 over 2 if we divide both by 2.5. So 3 over 2 is the slope of the first line. So now when we look at time 18 has a tangent line. And once again, they give us a rise and a run. So we do 3.5 over 6 for that. We multiply by 2 and we get 7 over 12 for that slope. So 7 over 12 is the rate of change right at 18 because it's the rate of change of the tangent line to the curve right at 18. So 7 over 12 for that. Next they ask, what's the average rate of change over the first year after birth? All right, let's get rid of this stuff and analyze just the first year. In other words, the first 12 months. So at the very, very start, at birth, the weight is 7.5. At 12 months, notice they have these little lines kind of helping us see the y value at 12, and that is 22.5. So we just need to find the slope between the start and, the 12-month mark. So 0 and 7.5, and then 12 and 22.5. So what's the rise from 7.5 to 22.5? That's a rise or a difference of 15. And then the run is the change in time. So 12 minus 0. So that's a jump of 12. So a run of 12. So it rises 15, runs 12. We simplify it and we get 5 over 4. And that's the average rate of change. From there to there, big takeaway is average rate of change is just the slope between 2 points. All right, number 2. I'll skip a lot of the mumbo jumbo here. I'll skip a lot of the context because all they're asking us to do, once again, is find the slope of the tangent lines. T1, they give us a rise of 4, a run of 12. It's a little harder to understand, but they're giving us like an arrow pointing to that. So it's 4 over 12, which 4 over 12 can be reduced to 1 over 3. So 1/3 for the first one. Second line we have here, rise of 10, run of 8. 10 over 8 can be reduced to 5 over 4. And that's our answer there. So just slope of those two tangent lines. Number 3. Once again, slope of the two tangent lines, don't even worry about the context. However, recognize that the slopes here will be negative. The function values are decreasing over time as we go from left to right. So decreasing values result in negative slopes. So the rise is not just 500. We'd say it's, falling 500, like it's a negative 500. And then it's running 300. So negative 5 over 3. If we simplify. Same deal. Here to here, we are, going down by 150, running by 300. So negative 150 over 300 reduces to negative 1/2. So that's our answer for the second box. All right, that's number 5. Where's my number 4? There it is. Hi there. Are you still struggling with the homeworks? Not doing great on the exams? Go to payhip.com/VTMathTutor. I have videos for everything. Every homework, every chapter quiz review, every written homework, you name it. The resources are there. Help yourself. Take some time, watch the videos. Been doing this a long time. I've helped a lot of students. I know my stuff. And you can know yours if you go to payhip.com/VTMathTutor. Help yourself before the semester is over. And support me. Bye-bye.